To enable and use live caption in Samsung Galaxy A07, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll all the way down, and here we need to find accessibility. When you enter it, go to the hearing enhancements, and that way we'll be able to find live caption. You can enable or disable it right here and also adjust the settings. Most important thing is to pick a language that you're gonna use for live caption. In this case, I'm gonna go with English. So now how it works, it allows you to listen to voice or something like that on your phone, and then it will show a captions for it. So if I open the YouTube, my video right here, we should be able to hear and see exactly the words that I'm speaking. So let's check it out. If you're wondering if you can record your voice on Samsung Galaxy A07, first of all, let's open the app drawer. And as you can see, it works fine. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you liked this video, please consider subscribing.